A. A for apple. Apples are delicious and healthy. B. B for bear. Bears like to hibernate in the winter. C. C for cat. Cats love to play with yarn. D. D for duck. Ducks swim in the pond. E. E for elephant. Elephants have big ears. F. F for frog. Frogs hop on lily pads. G. G for giraffe. Giraffes have long necks. H. H for house. Houses are where people live. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream is a tasty treat. J. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish have long tentacles. K. K for kangaroo. Kangaroos carry their babies in a pouch. L. L for lion. Lions roar loudly. M. M for monkey. Monkeys swing from tree to tree. N. N for nest. Nest is where a bird lays its eggs. O. O for owl. Owls can turn their heads 360 degrees. P. P for penguin. Penguins slide on their bellies. Q. Q for queen. Queens wear beautiful crowns. R. R for rabbit. Rabbits have fluffy tails. S. S for sun. Sun shines brightly in the sky. T. T for turtle. Turtles have hard shells to protect them. U. U for umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry in the rain. V. V for volcano. Volcanoes can erupt with lava. W. W for whale. Whales are the largest animals in the world. X. X for X-ray. X-rays can help doctors see inside our bodies. Y. Y for yellow. Yellow is a bright and cheerful color. Z. Z for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes.